Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to install Instagram on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need first thing to connect to your Wi-Fi or to use cellular data, and after just go to App Store. In the App Store you just need to go to search. In the search you just need to write Instagram. And after just tap on the search. So after just tap on get button, you will see here, just tap on it. So maybe if you don't sign into your Apple ID, you just need to write your Apple ID or password to Apple ID, and after it will successfully download and install this app on your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.